You got a sign that says no school today. What else do you have? You got a clip. You have some air, and some saline solution, and some Scotch tape. Oh, you got a clip. Clip. What are you gonna? Oh, you're gonna put the clip in your hair, cutie. You do need something for your hair. What else do you have? Where's the owl? Ooh, ooh. You see the owl? Ooh, owl. That's the owl. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What noise does it? Oh, look. She's doing what I did. Putting the owl on a base. Yeah, well, can you get it on there? Ooh, ooh. Ready? Good girl, Stella. Can you get it to sit on there? Almost. Look, ready? Watch. Now put it on. Yeah. Ready? Put the base down. And then put the owl on it. Can you do it? Oop, fell off. Can you put the owl on? No. Sounds like TK. TK? Mm-hmm. You see yourself? Look, there's Mama. There's Stella. Hi.
Bye.
Mm-hmm. What a pretty girl Stella is. Can you say shh? Shh, shh, shh. Everybody be quiet. Shh. Can you do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
No.
No. B, I, N, G, O.
No.
B, I, N, G, O.
No.
Owl. What does the owl sound like? What does the owl say? What does the owl say? Ooh, ooh. The owl says, ooh, ooh. You look good at yourself. You're so cool. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you.